We checked out the Port of Call restaurant in Hackensack, New Jersey. It's a sushi and American fusion buffet. Really good, really good. We went during lunch, so it was $15.99 for us two adults, and then it was a third of the price for my 4-year-old, which was around $6. Anyway, we really enjoyed ourselves. It was actually much better than we expected. The sushi was really good. That's the main reason I went. And I thought the rice was cooked well, and there was a lot of fish, and quality fish, not like your standard buffets. Only, I guess, drawback was I felt like the pieces were cut a little big, but they weren't skimping on the fish. And it was really good. But there was so much more options also available to choose from. We had, you could see prepared fish. There's some crab there. Lots of squid everywhere. Calamari, prepared different ways. There's some kielbasa, some Mongolian beef. The lo mein was surprisingly good. I really enjoyed it. Here's some more seafood. They had crab. They had shrimp. They had mussels. Anyway, really good stuff. And then over here we had some more American-style wings, ribs, a teriyaki chicken, some fish, some potatoes. Here there's more veggies, some corn, all kinds of veggies. That was the meat carving station, more ribs, kielbasa, but really good steak. You can even have chimichurri sauce. Here's some more fried foods. Kids enjoyed that. Here's soups. They even had lobster bisque, which was my wife really enjoyed. And now we get to everyone's favorite part, the dessert section. They had a lot of ice creams, green tea ice cream, but the mango ice cream was different, and that one was really good. There were some cookies, some crackers, some donuts right there. And there's some creme brulee, some mousse. I forget what that white and pink thing is. Jello. Flan. The flan was interesting. Tres leches case, chocolate cake. There's some fruit there. Bananas with chocolate. Here's a salad bar. I was impressed with the ceviche they had there. And just like a lot of unique, interesting things that were all very prepared very well. Here's a look at the restaurant. Pretty nice. Seats a lot of people. And definitely a very enjoyable experience. Oh, I love this. They had like fresh made ramen and udon, and the ramen was really good. The broth was solid. Here's a game room. My son kept creeping over his bench looking at the TV in the game room, playing PJ Pajama. Anyway, we were both impressed. Definitely be back again and highly recommend it to all of you. Godspeed, guys.